Hello to everyone in Tokyo from Lausanne, Switzerland. My name is Timo Lumme and I am the Managing Director of the IOC Television and Marketing Services. We are thrilled to be working with Intel to bring cutting-edge technology solutions to the Olympic Games Tokyo 2020. Intel is still a relative newcomer to the Olympic family, but they got off to a flying start. We all saw the impact Intel had at the 2018 Olympic Winter Games in Pyeongchang, South Korea, wowing audiences with dazzling drone shows, demonstrating the power of 5G and transporting fans into the action with the first ever live, virtual reality broadcast of the Olympic Games. Now, as we move forwards to Tokyo 2020, I look forward to seeing how Intel will harness technology in even more groundbreaking and thrilling ways to power the Games. We look forward to working together to build the future of the Olympic Games.